Bago kayo electric vehicle. Kasi ako personally, I'm looking for electric vehicle din, ano. Pero yun nga, nagmasasalit ako ng mga things na dapat kong i-consider bago ako bumili ng electric car. And unfortunately, on my side, medyo maraming consequences na kung bibili man natin ng electric car. Ayun, yung number one dyan is yung daily distance ninyo. Gaano pa kalayo yung daily distance ninyo? Alam naman natin na limited lang. O sabihin na natin, yung common ng mga electric vehicle na ngayon, mga around 200, 400 kilometers na. Kaya ang suggestion ko sa inyo, no, kung most of your life is short distance lang naman, like few kilometers away, okay na okay lang yung EV. Pero kung kayo yung tipong, like for example, every week, naglo-long distance na tipong 200, 300 kilometers per week, medyo alanganin tayo sa EV dyan. Kasi kung ako ang tatanungin, dapat yung EV ninyo, kaya yung rate.
Asulyang-ulyak ka, kunwari, ating
hawak mo ang gabi, bawat galaw mo ako'y nasbibig. Hawak mo ang bib, huwag mong bibitawan hanggang sa huling someday I'm gonna be alright, be alright. I'm here in my bed.
If you watch my daily vlog,
That's the shit that unless you like, ooh, you're so sweet, so sweet, so tough.
walang makakatanggi sa mga sobrang haba na guwantes sa...
So we're gonna be saying crazy things we've done, and Daddy's gonna have to guess which one of us did that.
Hi,
Okay,
babe.
number one, guess that. Guess. Which one of us kissed the Grab driver because we forgot to bring money? Who got kicked out of a club because she punched someone? No. Okay, how? Okay. Who owes someone 100K for gambling? No, you have to pick. You have to choose. You know, Daddy, these are all real. Yeah, done all the way.
this.